Good morning and welcome to Ankara, the capital of Turkey. I never would have guessed that. I would have figured it was Istanbul, but I've got one day in Ankara to check out the sights. So we'll start off in the geographical center, which right now looks like it's set up with a history of volunteering exhibition, as well as a blood donation clinic. So let's go explore and see some sights. All right, the first stop is the Turkish baths. I just bought my ticket and it was just under $2. So this is what it might have looked like back in the day in Roman times. And right now, just a bunch of fragments are left. I'm gonna have a little walk through and find something interesting. So this is the large bath. Behind me over here would be the sports complex area. Estimated construction was just around 200 AD. So these are all Roman gravestones. I think I know where Jeff Bezos got his design for his rocket ship. I'm going to use the modern bath in the ancient bath. So this is the sports complex part of the Roman baths. So you can just picture gladiators training here for their big battles. Maybe even Spartacus was here. You do get a decent view of the city from here, kind of. The smog is atrocious here. It's super obscured, as you might be able to see. But we're gonna get a better view from up there, which is a citadel, which is gonna be our next stop after the Roman baths. I just hopped in a taxi. I'm heading up to the Citadel now from the Roman baths. Tried to negotiate with the driver, but he insisted on the meter. So we'll see what the meter costs. At least then I know it's an official price, but the guy at the bath said it should be around 10 try, which is just over $1. The exchange rate's about 8 Canadian, or 8 try to $1 or so. So we'll see what it comes to. Okay, not bad. It cost 12 try, not 10, which was fairly accurate. And we're gonna head into the Citadel now and check out the smoggy views. So I think this would be a really great view. But just look at that band of smog. This is a really smoggy filled city. So I'm with my new friends.
Hello.
We're trying to chat through Google Translator. We're just gonna get a picture with them. Well, when you wander a city, you never know where you're going to end up. I ended up in an amusement park. Game of chance, anyone? A Turkish mousetrap. This could be a big mistake. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh shit. Oh. It's just as rickety as the mousetraps I remember. Oh boy. Jackpot! I put in 3 and I got 4. Spinning around lazily, checking out the city.
Elini bir sağ yaptım, bir sol yaptım. Böyle yağa hemen alt üstü beraber kızarır. Aynı kanala getir.
Time for a Turkish haircut. He's doing something with fire.
Abi sen biliyor musun?
Singeing all the extra hairs out.
For 20 minutes here.
But I could, I
Coffee-